A pre-owned 2012 Chrysler. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chrysler has less than 225,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free auto check vehicle history report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.